channel with Little Miss Nessa. And we're back with another unbagging. What are we unbagging today?
Ipsy!
Ipsy for the month of September.
Yeah.
So look at this cute eyelash bag. Isn't that cute? With gold and black. That is so cute. Alright, let's get started. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is a $10 subscription beauty bag. And you get a beauty bag and 5 items. Anything from skincare, makeup, beauty tools.
Also, this is, I can't tell you, this is a special brush.
Oh, yes, we have a special brush. Alright, so first thing on our Ipsy bag, it is a card. And it says this: the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who's going to stop me. So it's very motivational. And next we have, what do we have? Our first item.
Eyeshadow.
Yes, it's an eyeshadow by IBY. And it is in the color of Fire and Ice. It is so tiny. It is a perfect little sample for you to try on. And it's a good size pan. And I'm not wearing no eyeshadow, so I will be testing it out for you. And doing a full look using all the products in my bag. And doing, of course, swatch time. What's next in our item?
Next is lipstick.
Okay, can you show? Is that a real? It looks like a crayon, right? But it's not the real thing.
No. It's inside there.
Yes. Excuse the noise. My hubby is working on our fence for the RV gate.
You see, I can put it top.
Okay, yes, yes. So, who's it by? It is by Trusty.
Look, I got crayon. I got crayon.
Yes. So, it is a beautiful pink magenta color. And it is in the shade, I hope I'm saying this right, Mumbai magenta. So I will be trying it on as well and do it. Not right now. We'll do a close up. We'll do a close up on swatch time. So what's next?
So our next article.
What's next? Okay. So this is by 111 Skin, Harley St. London, and it's a bright eyelid gel. So
jelly.
It is an eye treatment.
Like a jelly.
Like a jelly. It's an under eye treatment.
Oh, yeah.
And I will be testing it out for you. I will keep you posted on the blog. And you know what I like about having different under eye treatments is if you run out of one, you have a backup. So that is cool. So next we have a cheek blush by Deuce. Okay, and I did forget to not apply blush. I do have a little bit of blush, so I will be doing the look over my blush. So hopefully that doesn't affect the whole I don't know, look. Alright, think you need help.
Oh.
So we have a small little pan of eyeshadow blush.
It's
like a little chocolate, yes. And I think it'll start getting a little magnetic palette, so I can start putting my different metallic pens. Okay, and next we have a
Woman brush.
Yeah.
You.
So next we have by Luxy, and it's a 140 brush, and it's a detailed tapered blender brush. And they teamed up with Warner Brothers, and they made this limited edition Wonder Woman brush.
Yeah.
And it is so soft. So it is tapered, so it is great to get into those inner eye corners. And I will be using it when I do the eyeshadow and see how that works. And alright, so now we are gonna go ahead and try this month's eyeshadow by IBY.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is what it looks like up close. Edition Wonder Woman tapered brush. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eyes. As you can see, I am not wearing any. Alright, so now we're gonna apply the eyeshadow, and I'm using the brush. I'm getting inside the corners. Alright.
Maybe it's falling out.
Yeah, no, my eyelash fell, so I had to sweep it off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it all over the eyelid, just so you can see what it looks like. And so far it is very shimmery. No. So far it's shimmery, and I think I'm going a color similar to this, so I'm not like wowed about it. So I mean, it's pretty, but I feel like it might be like a repeat, even though it's from a different brand. The brush, however, feels so soft, and I don't have anything like this in my collection of brushes. So there you go. That's what it looks like.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, so now my daughter is going to apply my blush. I'm going to let her. So we're going to use that brush that we got from Coastal Scents.
Yeah,
I don't know if you remember that. So just go like this, and then just right here on my cheeks, please.
Okay, do
this. Like right here. Don't, like, let me show you how I would do it.
Okay.
So just go like this.
Oh, so pretty.
Can you do it? You can already.
Ah, it got me in my hand. Just a bit more.
And then just do it like that. No,
Like
that's
this?
the other way.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so I'm just blending it in.
Only the cheeks.
Oh,
How about your head?
in the apples of your cheeks, not all over the face, just to give that rosy effect. And I do like it, although, like I said, I did forget to not wear blush, but I had a little bit of blush. So I don't know if that kind of will defeat the purpose of the whole trying it on, but you can see it got a little bit more blushier, so I do like the shade. What do you think?
Good. I'm going to do
We're
that.
doing the
lipstick.
lipstick by Tres Tique. Alright, and she's going to be applying the last thing that we are doing, the lipstick. Okay, go ahead. What do you do? You gotta put it up a little bit, not too much. And remember to stay inside my lips.
We're just checking your mirror. We're not done yet. Sorry.
So you don't go out? Okay, I could finish it now. Thank you for getting us started.
Alright.
Alright, so that is it for this look. What happened?
I hear something
Where do you hear something?
in your head.
In my head? What am I saying?
I hear something there, but
Alright, so this is it for the look, using the lipstick, the eyeshadow, and the blush, and applying it with the brush that we got this month. So I hope you like this complete look. I do like the shade of the lipstick. It's so girly and pink. And the eyeshadow is very subtle.
It's like sunny or creamy.
And the blush, I'm going to try it without
They want
applying it with other blushes.
They want to.
But this is a complete look. We hope you like it. And
Or
So we hope you liked our Ipsy unbagging video. And if you did, give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for all more fun stuff that we have coming up. And make sure to hit that notification bell.
And if you see a lot of videos, we're gonna connect to that videos and do a
Do what?
the video, silly.
Silly. So we hope you liked our video, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What it looks like.
Yes. It's not a real or it's not a real. I mean, it's not a real. So I mean.
So next we have an